Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.